Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Hints again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Google Classroom. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. First, on your computer, open your preferred browser. I have already opened the Google Chrome, and now type in edu.google.com in the search bar like this and hit enter, and you'll be taken on this page, Google for Education page. And over here on the top right corner of your phone, you can see the person icon, and under that category you can see the sign in to Google Classroom, Google Workspace Admin and Google Cloud. Now to log into your Google Classroom, just click on the Google Classroom option, and after that you will be logged into your Google Classroom if you have already integrated a Google account to your computer, or you will be shown a login page on Google. Now I have already integrated, so I'm already logged in. Now on your case it might be a login page. Enter your email and password over there to log into your Google Classroom. And there guys, this is how you log into your Google Classroom. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.